Hi guys, so I was going to do this as a short, but it's going to take way too long to cut down to do a short, so I thought I'd just do a 5-minute video instead. So these seats, this is a Fiat Scudo. It's the same for anything that happens to be badged as a taxi, so the Peugeot E7 / Peugeot Expert, anything that happens to have a taxi badge on it and look pretty much the same as this is all going to be the same. Now this is coming apart because I'm breaking it. All the parts are available. Taking the seats out, so they're a bit awkward. They've never been out of this one either, as you can see from the rust in the rails there. So this is how they work, so that you know if you ever need to take one out or if you just want to know. So you've got a hook here and a hook here. Those two hooks are what that seat latches onto, but to remove these rear seats you have to take the smaller seat out first, because it is actually attached to the side of this larger seat. Now you've got a lever here which allows you to flip the back of the seat down. Wind the cup of tea out of the way, we don't want to spill that. Over this side here you've got this red lever that flips the seat forward. Okay, now I've got to cut the wires off of this as well, but you know. Now you've got lever here. Now this one's pretty free, this one's stuck, as you can see. So we'll get some lubricant, because there's always time for lubricant. Not that it really is going to make much difference. I do apologise if the wind gets you every now and again, but we are outside, so spray that down a bit. Now I cheated on the other one. I'll try and cheat on this one as well, because that lever is quite badly stuck. So I'm going to take a pry bar, whatever I did with it, I'll put it down. Uh-oh. Good job, mate. Put the pry bar down so you lose it. I'm just going to take that pry bar and just give it a... There it goes. Wasn't too bad. Now, the seat should, there it goes, roll forward. Like that. Once it's rolled forward, as you can see, this back lock's now come out, this back hook's come out, because that's what this lever controls. I'll show you on the other one that's freer and easier to move. So you see it move that latch to lock it in. So you need to get that up high enough, and then it's just on that front pin. So if we now grab the seat, it says one-handed. There we go. The seat is now free from the back of the taxi. And then to put it back in, it would be obviously the reverse process. You need to hook the front hooks in on these pins, lock the seat down into the back pins, put the back down, use the lever, flip it back up. Obviously you'd have to do this one first, then that one, in order to get it all locked back in. But yeah, that is how you remove the seat out of the back of a Peugeot Expert, Citroen Relay, Fiat Scudo, Peugeot E7, general 6-seater taxi. Yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.